What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be talking about YouTube revenue because the most asked question I get is, so you're a YouTuber and then it's, how much money do you make from it? So I'm going to show you how much a YouTuber with almost around 4,000 subscribers and have over 1,000 videos on my YouTube channel, how much I get from it. Most of it's shorts, but like a lot of it is full form videos. I got a lot of just different stuff on my YouTube channel. Anything from like unboxing videos, gaming, do music. I've done, God, you name it. I've almost done everything. Like I've done a lot of stuff on my YouTube channel because like I love YouTube, and people talk about like having niches. And I'm just like, screw it. I'll just do what makes me happy. And at first it was music, then it went to unboxings, then just sort of evolved from there, really. So, I don't know. People talk about having niches and I don't know. I just believe in just doing what people want to see. And sometimes your niche isn't what people want to see. Just make a whole bunch of stuff and see what works. You know, it's kind of like art. Just throwing things against the wall and seeing what works. Jumping into YouTube, so we have like a couple different metrics to have a look at. So we have CPM, we have RPM, and then we have the estimated revenue. So the CPM is basically stands for cost per milli, and basically that means that it's what the advertisers pay for content creators per 1,000 views. If you get 20,000 views and you have a CPM of $10.50, so that total revenue is $2,100 basically. The RPM is revenue per milli. So that basically represents how much money you've earned from those 1,000 views basically. So you get a cut from that, YouTube gets a cut. YouTube takes like 40%, you get 60%. Would say that that's fair because YouTube is the platform that you're advertising your videos on. I do believe that YouTube should take a cut from that. They've got the platform, they've built it, and you are the creator on that platform. Alright, so like let's delve into the channels. So my CPM is $20.07 currently. So each day it sort of jumps between $18 all the way up to like $26.73. Sometimes a bit lower, sometimes a bit higher. You know, depends how much I'm posting. I'm posting pretty much every single day because I believe in building, like have an attitude towards it. You know, if you make 10 videos that give you $1 a day, then that's $10. So why can't you do that times 100, make $100 a day? And then you've replaced your daytime job with YouTube basically. That's essentially what I'm going for. And then my RPM sort of jumps between $7, $6, sometimes $8, goes up pretty high. We had a $9 day, that was pretty sick. Got a lot going on here. And in terms of my actual estimated revenue, this is where we are up to. So each day it sort of jumps from like $6 all the way to $9. So that was definitely hitting my goal, my target of like $10 a day. Sometimes it went a bit lower, sometimes it went a bit higher. $8 on the 25th of May. That was because I chucked up heaps of videos. That is my estimated revenue for the day. So it's crazy. So if we look at like my monthly estimated revenue, last year in June 2021, I made $55.66. Last month, it jumped all the way to $230.59. Now, that doesn't mean that I'm getting all of that money, because you have to know that if you're in Australia, you're getting taxed. So like, Google will take like something like $30 to $40 off of that. So realistically, I'm probably going to get $190 from that, but it's still like, it's $190 from making really cool videos in my bedroom that I'm really passionate about. If you think about it that way, then you have no expectations and you're making money from something you love. And last month I made about 186. That was like, I've had 2 of the best months I've ever had on YouTube. And it was like a couple of videos that really took off. So if we go like the last 90 days, there's crazy stuff. So like, I put up this video about like the Easter show, and it made me $13 in a day, then $10. And I was like, whoa, that's mind blowing. I made this video about like Elden Ring gameplay, and it jumped from $5 to $8 in a day to all the way to like $38 in a day. That's just by making one video from playing video games. And I was just like, this is crazy. This is mind blowing. And like in the last 90 days, I made over $500 Australian dollars. And let's jump into top earning videos. So yeah, that was the Elden Ring video. In a day, it made $31 just by playing a video game. How good is that? I'll jump into all time, but like, let's look into the last 28 days, the last month. The best month I've ever had on YouTube. So the best video I've ever posted was this display post video. It made almost $40 in the last month, and that's pretty good. So if I post more of that type of video, then I'll make a lot more money. Got the Xbox Series S video. It kind of like took off pretty well last month. I posted that last month and it did really well. So made like $17. We got the display metal posters. Are they worth buying? Like that video is like not even, it's only sitting at 1,200 views and it's already made $12. So basically every 100 views, it makes almost like $1, above $1. Here's another one that really surprised me. This Case Edify unboxing video, like it has barely any views, like 200 views, but yeah, it's made like $6 because the CPM is so damn high. Like some days, you guys need to see this stuff. So if we jump into analytics, right? The CPM is so damn high. So like 37 days in a day, it was like 965. And then like a couple of days ago, it was like $3,000 basically. 2,746. That is insane stuff. That is crazy. So, but like, it's not really getting that many views, so it really only made like $1.50 that day. But I was like, still so. Let's have a look at more stuff. We can have a look at like how much I've made like all time. So altogether, this channel's made $1,798.45 overall. And that's just starting basically January last year. We've only been, this is our second year of being monetized. And this is how much money we've made. In the lifetime, like this video has made me over $300. Just blows my mind. Like I unboxed a couple of posters in my room and it's made me over $300, and the video itself, I only spent probably just over $200 to make the video, so I've already made $100 profit. It's been 10 months and it's already made the money back plus more, so that's pretty incredible. We've also got this video, how to set up a pair of JBL 305p studio monitors. That video has made me $163.39. So basically it's almost paid back the studio monitors themselves just by making the videos of just like how to set them up and then figuring out the problems. So altogether, that's made me almost $300. So that's pretty much paid back for those speakers. It's just insane stuff. This is why I love YouTube. But then there's like other videos like this where like that unboxing was like $700 because the gear, but I use it every day in every single video. So like having investments like that kind of like helps the channel. Technically, like overall, all the gear and everything that I unbox, like it all adds up eventually. And over the years and stuff like that, like, it will pay itself back because you just create all these videos using the gear, and then that helps the channel grow, and then it just keeps adding and adding and adding. If you have that attitude, then it's limitless. I've seen videos and comments of people complaining about the system and it's all against them, and I'm just like, nah bro, like, you gotta make videos you're passionate about and like see what works, see what doesn't work, learn from it, grow from it. Like, I started, like, let's have a look at my first video, see where I started. We started back in 2015, and you know, I was getting barely any views, 75 views on my videos. I did not understand everything, and I just stuck with it for like 10 years. And now I'm making money from making these videos, and it's like, it's so worth doing it because I love it so much. And you know, just stick with it and things will work out. Believe in yourself, you know. We're almost up to 4,000 subscribers now, so that's the update on the channel. I hope that I hit that goal very, very soon. And I appreciate you guys so much. Have yourselves a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys next time.